Alright guys, so a quick video here on the door switch. If your window is not properly going up or down, or if it's sometime going down on its own altogether, or if it goes down all the way but it doesn't go back up, or also if you have to reset the battery for the window to work properly but it still works, it's probably not your window regulator. It's probably this switch that you see here, which I actually bought a new one because that's what I'm thinking is the issue. So this sits in there like this, okay? And then you press up and down right here. First thing you want to do is get a screwdriver in there, press up on this guy here. Once you press up on this, it's going to go up and then you'll actually slide it out. Careful not to break this little plastic tab right here. It's very easy. At the bottom there's going to be a connector that will connect to the bottom right here. Just a clip-on connector. You just press here and it pulls right out. So right now we're going to actually see if that was our issue or not. So right here is the connector that you see I already removed. So all you do, this guy here sits, sorry, okay, so this guy here will sit, there's these tabs that line up, so it's very difficult to get wrong. So it just sits in there, these tabs here, line them up, one here, one there, and then you just simply press down, it locks in place here, and it locks in place right here for you, and then you have a working switch up and down. Very, very simple. So then all you do literally is just take this connector, take that green connector right there, and then try to hold this while doing it, and then you're going to actually just plug it right in. Plug this connector into here first. Sorry for the poor camera here. Let me just get this done real quick, guys. So it goes in like this, and then just keep pressing until it clips into place. Once it's clipped into place, go ahead and turn the car on to accessory mode. Okay, so it's on accessory mode now. It'll say there, so this window works as it should. And then this guy works as it should, and up. So obviously we're going to want to test this switch also. So we'll press down.
Welcome.
There it goes down perfectly. Press up, and it goes up, no problems. Also the issue that I had was I would close the door and the window would by itself just drop down for some reason. So what I think happened was I left the window open here a little bit ago and it was raining and I had some water trickle down here and into this guy, which I'm an idiot for doing that, but you know, luckily this little part is only $20. Let me get you guys the part number and you'll be squared away. Here's the part number right here. It retails for $27. If you call the dealer and ask them to give you a discount, usually they'll sell it to you for about $22. Okay. There's again the GM part number for you, and made in Japan, so hopefully it'll last a little bit longer this time. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, if you know, just try to help each other with these Corvettes and whatnot. If you guys have any helpful videos, really appreciate these DIYs. You know, help guys like us save some money instead of, you know, going to the dealer and paying them probably, you know, $200 to do this simple fix. Thank you.